I don't think I set the time date stamp on this camera. This is the Yi camera. I thought it would be better than my first SJ cam, and it still might be. I just don't know how to work the settings. So it's like August 3rd, some shit like that. Who the hell knows? Come on, pop it. Why is it going at? Okay, camera might be going. It's an 808 camera on top of the rat rod. And the rat rod is this particular one, the Tunnel Ram 250. The rat rod is XKX 350 with what I have on this 1800 kV 2212 motors, I believe, and I cut down some Bugs 3 blades, and it is a sight to see once I actually plug it in. For now, you're just going to get a bunch of dead space because I am still partially just marky. I don't want to insult any retarded people. Dude, really? Okay. I got a heartburn like a son of a bitch too. Should be recording. Hope we don't lose it. I don't fly this too much, you know, because it's a beast and it's temperamental. I'm gonna do the everything. Okay. I really don't want to hit the wrong one, and I took that one off, right? So. Please. Okay. Been a long time. Bring it back. Make sure it's stable. Oh, baby. That's a lot of weight, a lot of bird for handmade, you know, for for cut blades. Oh, she gets in that ring state, man. Down's not her best forte, but forward and up, oh yeah. She's got range, but she steers. Oh, Ditto! Nope, nope, nope. Stay away from the road. So you can get crazy. If there weren't cars here, I would try a high-speed pass at low altitude. But still, that would be dangerous. I mean, because I need space to really open it up. But it's cool, man. It feels like having a blower on you know, in residential area, and you know, you're just trying to obey all the signs and shit, but you know you've got fucking, like, you know, mass horsepower. I don't know how it feels with all that LS power, man. That shit's crazy. I'm very, very curious, though, I must admit. If I had it to just burn, Lord knows I would either get me an LS motor built or just invest in an LS swap. gotta have air, but man, that fucking, 500 to 1,000 horsepower on demand. That's gotta be insane. Woo. Let's bring it down. Oh, you did it, man. Okay. I have to admit, homemade is so much more fun than store-bought. Universal middle finger for the ones that got away. And once again, this flight was brought to you in the effort to cure global warming. The more flying you do, the less the polar bears get amnesia and forget how to swim, and the more they'll be doing their thing. And of course, the penguins will remember decorum once again, and they'll start tying their little bow ties instead of leaving them all hanging down as if they're Dino or something. Alright? Thank you. I'm gonna fly some more shit, but man, I gotta admit, oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. Can you see that? The show? Ooh. Wow, that's bad. Anyway, let me shut this off. I got more stuff to fly, but man, homemade is so much fun.